Hey there guys, and welcome back to another video. In today's video we're going to take a look at the Base Station Mini from Nomad. So big thanks to Nomad for sending this out to review. Now you guys know I love Nomad, and Nomad has a bunch of other charging solutions. So they have the Base Station Pro, regular base station, which has the Apple Watch edition for it, so you can actually charge your phone and your Apple Watch at the same time. But this one is the Base Station Mini. So this one is unique because not only is it this beautiful design, but it actually has the magnets in it to work with MagSafe. So as you can see, it says with magnetic alignment. Now the price on this one is $69.95. And unfortunately, it doesn't include the actual power brick you need for this, so you do want to get a 20-watt power brick to include with this if you do buy this, or if you have one from your iPhone, you can use that one as well, and that will power this up to 15 watts wirelessly. Now, some cool stuff about this before I open it up. It does have a padded leather surface for your phone to lay on. It does have USB-C for power input, and it does have an ambient light sensor as well, so the LED that lights up to let you know it is charging will actually dim when it's nighttime, so that's pretty cool. And taking a quick look at our package before we open it up, you can see we have a nice picture of the charger on the front, have Base Station Mini wireless charger right there, Nomad on either side, have this nice little pull tab. So their packaging is eco-friendly, which is nice to see. On the back, you can see we have a photo of it with a phone on top, have a inner look at it, so you can see the coils on the inside. It does have the description on the back as well. It does work with all Qi devices as well, so not just iPhone, but it'll charge at a lower level depending on what device you put on there. And then we have a picture of AirPods as well. So of course you can charge AirPods any wireless charger. So let's go ahead and open this bad boy up and take a look at what we get. All right, and opening it up, you can see we have this really nice charger. Have a little pull tab to pull it out, and it does actually have a nice heft to it. So we have this nice padded leather surface, as you can see. Really nice, beautiful looking device, and I can't believe this is actually metal, so it actually really is nice. It has a heft to it, and we have Nomad branding there at the top. Has really nice sharp edges, so it actually is really well crafted. I'm really impressed so far just from opening this up. On the back, Nomad branding, use 20-watt adapter for 10-watt wireless charging, 30-watt adapter for 15-watt wireless charging. So actually you may need to get something higher than 20 watts if you want the full charging capability of this wireless charger. And then it reveals the metal on the sides and the back. So we have the USB-C as well as a little sensor for the ambient light sensor. Pull that off. And then our LED is at the front. So we do have some little rubber feet on the bottom, so this will keep it nice and planted. And I just can't express how nice this is. So this is probably the nicest wireless charger I've ever had. Much nicer than a MagSafe charger. So it just basically just sits on your desk or on your nightstand. Put your phone on there and you're good to go. Now let's see what else comes in the box. We actually have our cable. So again, doesn't come with the adapter. You have to buy the adapter separately, unfortunately, but that's how things go. We do have a really nice long cord. So this is USB-C to USB-C, and it is braided. So not only is the charger nice, the cable that comes with it is also very nice as well. So yeah, we have a probably 6-foot cord included as well. So really nice. So let me go ahead and hook this up and then let's check it out. So upon plugging it in, you do get a little light on the front. So you do see the LED there. And let's go ahead and use my iPhone and test it out. And there you go, the MagSafe. You could feel the MagSafe take over there, and it actually works just fine. Now, I'm not going to test out the actual wireless charging speeds or anything like that. The one I have is actually 18 watts, so it's not actually the full wattage that they want for this. So you definitely want to get either a 20 or 30 watt charger for this, but I just want to show you, obviously it has the MagSafe on there. So when you put it on, you can kind of feel it, and then it starts charging. Now, not only will this charge iPhones, it will charge your AirPods as well. So if I get this placed properly, we should get a little light showing there. So it is charging our AirPods as well. And then not only that, it will actually charge other phones also. So we have our TCL 20 Pro 5G. Let's see if I can find the sweet spot for it. And I think I got it. Well, there we go. So I got the sweet spot. So there you go. It'll charge any device, of course. If you want fast charging, there are certain requirements to get that fast charging. But overall, a really, really beautiful wireless charger. Now, one other thing that's really cool about this that I mentioned previously is this charger does have an ambient light sensor. So we have an LED letting you know it's working. But if we turn off the lights, you should be able to see that it does dim slightly with the darkness. And then we turn it back on, and it does get a little bit brighter. So that's kind of a cool inclusion. So there you guys have it. Just a quick look at the Nomad Base Station Mini. Now, of course, again, they have other wireless charging solutions, and they're all really, really beautiful. This one is $69.95 on their website, has a nice padded leather surface. We have all metal construction, And as you can see, it's absolutely beautiful. We also have those rubber feet on the bottom, and it does offer fast charging for both iPhones and Android. So a really, really nice solution if you're looking for something that's a little fancier than, say, a traditional wireless charger. If you guys are interested in this, I'll definitely leave a link down below where you can check it out. And thank you guys so much for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.